Having a partner speeds tile floor installation by splitting tasks and keeping momentum. When two people work together on a laundry room tile project, start by planning roles before mixing any thin set or cutting any tile. One person can handle measuring and cutting while the other applies adhesive and places tiles so accuracy stays high and movement stays efficient. Alternate physically demanding tasks every 30 to 40 minutes to prevent fatigue and steady your pacing. Use simple labeling like chalk lines and numbered tile layouts to avoid layout confusion and review the pattern together before you begin setting pieces. Keep one container dedicated to mixed thin set and another with dry material so you can replenish without stopping the line of work. Communicate short check calls such as plumb or spacing to reduce mistakes and keep tile alignment consistent across the room. 3 common mistakes are poor communication that leads to uneven grout lines, mismatched tile orientation because people did not confirm the layout, and fatigue causing sloppy cuts or adhesive application. To fix communication problems, agree on a few short calls and a visual reference photo placed where both can see it. Avoid orientation errors by dry laying a small section and confirming how the pattern reads from the laundry room entrance before you set the first row. Reduce fatigue by rotating duties, taking brief rests, and using basic supports like a kneeling pad or small stool so precision stays high through the whole job. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by providing a platform where both can post and respond to projects. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and solve real-world problems together so teams and solo DIYers can learn faster.